sabi ko, bakit ganun? Complete naman ang vaccine, ba't may ka-COVID pa rin? Ang difference daw, yun hindi ka agad mamamatay.
Hello, Roger. Over. Is this thing on? Listen, crime reports are coming in from all over the city, and I'm starting to get worried. Do you see that? It's a signal. That means trouble can't be far away. And you know what trouble means. Headlines, national coverage. So don't screw this up. I mean, good luck.
Man, you shouldn't be out here. Doc on the loose, this could be the most dangerous night of my life. And yours. Be careful. Nice shades.
Was that the Spider Kid? No good. Wearing red freak.
Everything's going just as planned.
Excellent. And with my anti-gravity channel, even that spider will be able to stop me.
You mean stop us?
Hey, what's going on?
What was that? Intruders! If you think you're getting out of here, then you're in for a shock.
I call them mine.
Tapos alas 6 na. Buti na lang naligo ako kahapon.
So much for being careful. Just get back to the
Di ba
office and...
nakita ay nung, di ba nung kapayatan nung pinalitan kita?
Incoming!
Now, things are just starting to heat up.
Ay, nakita nila kung Sony naging sikala. Ay, si Sony, maano mo siya, makakatulong nga siya. Maano din siya.
Trick or treat, smell my feet. Time to call you off the street.
Meron din siya si ano ba yun? Lena ba yun? Oo, mahirap siyang kaano, parang maiilang kang makiano sa kanya.
Got my beautiful scoop.
Oo, tsaka nung inaayos ko nga yung ano, bala kong ano, ayusin yung likod niya eh, kasi nga hindi ayos yung
Doc, your
dog,
ache's
tsaka
worse than your
ano
haircut.
hindi ko na, ayokong mag-uso sa ganun, alam mo na hindi ano.
Sitting on a friend.
Itong isa yung lalaki na ano din siya.
Hey, wait for me!
Yung Ras,
You're not insured for this!
Gary sa
Hang
Pilipino,
on! I'm whipping you down
from Tennessee yun eh. Doon daw siya nag-aral. Ang Pilipino si Ras. Yun naman, Diyos ko, parang palilimutin naman talaga. Pero kahit ano, malaking tulong siya kayo sa akin. Tapos nag-endorse ko sila na kay Gary. Oh, she did all the work daw. Kaya ko, mamaya mo na kung hindi, malilimutan ko. Kaya pag may hiningi ako sa kanya, binibigay niya agad. Hindi naman sila madamo, tatanungin ka. Kasi nga, siyempre, pagpasok nila, naka-gown sila, di ba? Kailangan, lahat ng kailangan mo, sabihin mo na.
Yes,
Hindi
that
pa
wraps things
balik-balik
up.
pa.
You guys did all right, but don't give up your day job. Say cheese! See you later.
Congratulations, you're heroes. I do it all the time.
On the other side. See? So don't drink with ice, okay? It's pasukan na and you have to do that. You know how do you call that? It's clearing your throat. You have to clear so you feel better. Don't do that, okay? Don't drink.